Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, where we have another 4Runner compilation for you guys to enjoy today. Starting off with this Army Green 4Runner. This one's coming in for a Fox 2.5 factory race series suspension setup with CAMBURG tubular extra and upper control arms. And this white 4Runner here just received our high clearance bumper cut. We're also doing a body mount chop on this one and mounting some larger tires on the Method MR703 machined wheels. Over to the Army Green 4Runner, we're mounting up some 285 7017 on factory wheels. Those are the ridge grapplers that we're throwing on here. Our shop 88 Rotors is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. Here's the Fox 2.5 factory race series shocks with the CAMBURG tubular extra and upper control arms installed. Need this setup for your 4Runner? We'll leave a link in the description. We package these up with the upper control arms and the rear lift springs, and we pre-adjust these to the perfect ride height for a leveled setting with the springs included. And if you're local to us, we're in Baldwin Park, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. We'll set you up with an appointment and get you squared away. These two 4Runners are ready to rock and roll. We're going to bring them out for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to our customer. Like your factory wheels or just don't want to change them out just yet? No problem. You can actually fit 285 7017 tires on them like you see here. All you need is a proper lift with a proper alignment and fine-tuning of the caster to make sure everything is dialed in properly. We offer that service here. These right here are the RRW RR7V Flowform wheels. It's a brand new wheel released from RRW Relations Race Wheels. We have these brand new wheels in stock and ready to go. Available for pickup or installed at our facility in Baldwin Park, or you can always order it from our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com. If it's on our website, it's in stock. Whether RRW themselves have it or not, we have our own inventory because we stock in containers of RRW wheels. This 4Runner just received our Bilstein 6112 and 5160 setup. We have it adjusted to about 3 inches of lift in the front with some SPC ball joint upper control arms. Here are some Cali Rays LED, the original Cali Rays LED guys in Texas with their cat shields that we just installed here. We also ran some old Man Emu rear lift springs and did an alignment with fine tuning of the caster for perfect tire clearance. Currently offer this wheel in 3 colors. The bronze that you see here. We also have machined silver, which is only available in a -12 offset. Bronze is available in +0 or -12. We also have a +0 and -12 option for our matte black face and gloss black simulated beadlock ring version also. Check out our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com to see all 3, or simply click on the link in the description to see for yourself. Next up, we have a magnetic gray metallic TRD off-road pulling in. This one's going with an EIBACH Stage 2R setup with SPC ball joint upper control arms. A modification for the guys with KDSS that's often overlooked are the KDSS spacers. A lot of people get by without upgrading them, but we do recommend them as needed. We always have the Trio KDSS spacers in stock. After lifting the vehicle, the spacers help bring the sway bars back to its optimal position so that the KDSS system can still function properly. It helps reduce the infamous KDSS lean, and handling improves as intended. Another good mod to consider after a lift on these 4Runners are also the Panhard correction kits. We're personally not a fan of the bolt-on kits as it gives room for failure. There tends to be complaints from noise on them also from time to time, so we highly recommend the IMKEEP weld-on kits. And yes, we do have those available in stock here as well. As you can see, the EIBACH Stage 2R setup has been installed. The rear lift spring and the shocks are shown here. We're going to throw the wheels and tires back on now that the suspension has been completed. The EIBACH kits are very popular for the 4Runner. Another kit that's usually compared to these are the 6112 and 5160 setups. There are pros and cons to both setups. Here's a few things to consider. The EIBACH kit comes with a fully threaded coilover. That way you can actually fine-tune the ride height. A lot of people like to fine-tune it to compensate for the lean that the vehicle comes with. Naturally, all Toyotas come with a lean from factory. Another thing to consider is the shock body sizing. The diameter of the shock body on the EIBACH coilovers are about 50 millimeters. The 6112 on the other hand is about 60 millimeters. Larger shock body means there's more room for fluid volume, which leads to better heat dissipation and improved damping control, which in turn gives you more control of your suspension. New suspension setup has been installed on the vehicle. One of the final steps that we do before throwing the wheels and tires back on are to go over all of our work and double check it. Then we mark it with a white paint pen. The wheels and tires on this one are going to be the Method MR703 bead grip wheels. We're mounting it up with a 285/7017 BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2 tire. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. We hope you take out the guesswork on what parts that you need to order. We have pre-packaged, pre-assembled, and oftentimes pre-adjusted lift kits all available on our website. When you're ready to purchase your next lift kit, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com or stop on by to our retail facility in Baldwin Park, California. We have Kings, Fox, Icon, Dobinson, EIBACH, Bilstein, CAMBURG, and so many more suspension name brand products in stock and ready to rock for most popular applications. Next 4Runner coming in is getting a King suspension setup. We're going with the King 2.5 Remote Reservoir Coilovers and shock setup on this one with some CAMBURG tubular X-joint upper control arms and Man Emu rear lift springs. We adjust the front King coilovers on this one to get about 3 inches of lift height. For the rear, we're going with an Man Emu lift spring to get about 1.75 inches of lift. This TRD off-road model does come equipped with KDSS, and the customer decided to go with the Trio KDSS spacers on this one also. Here you can see the Man Emu lift springs installed with the King shocks with compression adjusters. And over to the front end, King shocks have been installed with the CAMBURG tubular X-joint upper control arms. Our tech is now going to install the Trio KDSS spacers. Here are the KDSS spacers being installed in the rear. With a lift like this on the vehicle, you can easily clear some 285/7017 tires. We're mounting a set of 4 Falcon Wild Peak AT4Ws on the TRD Pro wheels that the vehicle came in with. Wheels and tires are going back on the vehicle now. We're going to bring it back down after that and do a custom alignment with fine-tuning of the caster to make sure everything clears properly. Next up, we're going to run some 17.5 -12 offset wheels, so we need a body mount chop, which we performed here. We're also doing a Bilstein 6112 setup on this one, SPC ball joint upper control arms, 5160 rear shocks with Man Emu lift springs. For the tires on this one, we went with a 285/7017 BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2 that we mounted on the RRW RR7H 17.5 -12 offset wheel in bronze. And that's pretty much going to wrap it up for today, folks. Thank you very much for tuning in. Until next time, please take care of yourself and each other.